Welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. I've got something to show you today. Another product review. This is by, I guess it's pronounced SEPICN. And it's a 58 watt LED light bulb. They call this the corncob style. So when I got this in the mail and saw how big the box was, I was a little blown away at the size of this light bulb. It's a little bit larger than your average corncob. This company contacted me and asked if I wanted some of these for my garage. Unfortunately, I had to decline because I already installed LED lighting in my garage and the regular Edison bulb outlets are no longer wired up. I said I do have an attached basement workshop which could use a little more light, so they sent me this. Sorry about the mess right now. I'm finishing my basement over here and I've got a lot of tools and sawdust everywhere. But I could definitely use some more light down here. I have some old 4-foot T12s and they don't even work anymore. That leaves me with one bulb on the ceiling and this 4-foot LED over the workbench. So I'm excited to get this guy installed. It uses the standard E26 Edison bulb fitting. SEPICN also makes them with an E39 fitting, which is a little bit larger. This one here is only available in a 60 watt. The E39 size is available in 60, 80, and 100 watt. So let's try this out right now. Out with you. This thing is a monster. I guess if you do have a low ceiling, you might want to watch your head. Most garage ceilings are pretty tall, so it'd be perfect for that. Oh wow. Jeez, that is bright. I don't know how it shows on camera, but I can't even look at it without really squinting my eyes. You saw the shop a minute ago. Here it is now. It's like a small sun down here. One thing I read about LEDs is that they take a second to turn on sometimes. So you can see, compared to the incandescent bulb behind me here, there's a split-second difference before the LED turns on. Which, you know, is a small price to pay for the benefit of the light output that this bulb offers. So I'll use this somewhere in the house, like a closet. I'm leaving the bulb on for a few minutes to see how hot it gets. So this is my basement. I'm building 3 rooms out here. I'm almost at the drywall phase. It's been a long project, even keeping me out of the garage for a couple weeks. But that's alright, because it's hot in there during the summer and cool down here. I'm hiring someone to do the drywall because it's messy and I'd rather be back in the garage doing some more wrenching and some more how-to videos. I've got some projects lined up. Alright, this has been on for about 5 minutes now and let's see. It's not at all hot to the touch. And I can unscrew it. And let's take a closer look at the design and construction of this light. Look at all these aluminum heat sinks here. They're not even hot. They go all the way up through the entire light, like every 1/8 inch or so. The color temperature on this is 5000 K, which is a cool white light. That's actually the same color temperature of the LEDs I put in my garage. It's great for automotive use when you really need to see a lot of detail. So, if I didn't already have all those 4-foot LED lights up in my garage, I would definitely invest in 3 of these and put them into my regular Edison bulb sockets. This is going to be the fastest and easiest, not to mention pretty cheap way to get a lot of light quickly into your garage. I looked on Amazon. These were 38 bucks each shipped, and I'll put a link to that in the description. 38 bucks, that's a pretty good deal considering that this 4-foot LED light here was 25 bucks, but there's mounting and hanging and wiring involved. Plus, you need an outlet for those. This 60 watt LED is great if your garage or building is leased or you're renting, because it's just as easy to remove as it is to install. If you move, just unscrew it and take it with you to your next place. Well, thanks for watching, and I'm going to get back to work on this basement. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see some before, under construction, and after video of this project. I'll have a new toy to video ready to upload tomorrow.